If you've just got a new air fryer, no doubt you're going to be excited to use it, but you may forget some important steps to do first. Stay with me for the next couple of minutes as I walk you through some tips that will help get rid of that new plastic smell you most likely will get from your new air fryer as you use it for the first time. If you're new to my channel, you may not know this, but I always recommend doing these steps in all my air fryer videos, whether it's a basket air fryer or an air fryer oven. First is the heating element. This is where a lot of residue will be. Give it a good wipe using a damp cloth or paper towel and you will see a lot of residue come off. Be careful not to get too close to the fan blades or edges as some of them are sharp. If the air fryer has a flat top, I like to flip it over carefully. Do this if you can to clean the heating elements. If your air fryer has a display panel on top, take an extra cautious step and lay down a towel to prevent any damage or scratches to the display while you clean the inside. Next, to get rid of all the shipping and packaging residue, be sure to wipe down the exterior with a damp cloth and wash out all the baskets, trays and any accessories. And finally, run the air fryer for at least 20 minutes on the highest setting. For this one it's 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Some of them go up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Once done, remove the baskets and let the air fryer air out. This helps remove any lingering plastic smell instead of keeping it all inside the air fryer. I find this step really makes a big difference. Alright guys, I hope you found this video useful. Please be sure to leave a like and do let me know in the comments below if you received a new air fryer or if you have any air fryer questions. Be sure to subscribe for more reviews, recipes and tips, and I hope to catch you in my next video.